All right, guys, we made it to day 5. Um, this story is actually getting really interesting. So, we're seeing the Taliban starting to move into Malala's community, and we're starting to see some tension happening within her community, which is going to in turn lead us to this hostile environment. So, we're still focusing on how do Malala and her community respond to the hostile environment in Pakistan. You're actually going to be looking at a little bit of that today. And then we're a content framing question. We're still in the organized phase. What is happening in I Am Malala? So now that you're starting to see like the Taliban move into the community, when you're reading chapters 6 through 8, you're going to really be tracing the causes of Fazula's rule. And those causes are going to be pretty right there once you start reading. So I've included a chart for you to track the causes, and then we're going to be looking at the reactions for two sides. Those that are okay with Fazula's rule, and those that are opposed or don't agree with Fazula's rule. And then moving forward, we're going to be looking at how does Fazula's rules start to create this hostile environment in Malala's community. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting really excited for, what's getting ready to happen in the book. Just craving the suspense that's getting ready to take place, and just ready to jump into reading chapters 6 through 8. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy this lesson. I think you're going to really like what's happening in the chapters, and continue to get your work done. For those of you that have been doing your work, great job. Thanks so much for your effort. I've been working very hard to give feedback, to return assignments that have not quite met the mark, to allow you to redo the assignments, resubmit them. So make sure you're getting that done, looking at the private comments and resubmitting those. For those of you that have not submitted days 1 through 4, you need to get that done. All of the work is due today by 5 p.m. to allow me time to grade it and get those grades into Gradebook. Thanks so much.